Good day, sir. And I will discuss this topic, philosophical perspective about self. Today, I explain a key idea from Immanuel Kant philosophy about how we experience the world. Kant believed that our experience is shaped by both our body, and our mind. And the body gives us raw sensation. Sama na siya mga sa ito makita, we hear, touch, taste, and smell. And the mind doesn't just receive this passively, it actively organizes and interprets what we sense. For example, when you see something, your eyes take in the light, what is in your mind that processes it and recognizes it as a chair or a book or a friend's space. Kant says our mind uses categories of thought like cause and effect, space and time to make sense of the world. Without the mind's role, sensation would just be chaotic data with no meaning. In other words, knowledge comes from the interaction of the body and mind. The body provides input and the mind gives it structure. So for Kant, reality is not just out there waiting to be copied into our brain. Instead, reality as we know is always filtered through the way our mind thinks and organizes experience. That's all, sir. Thank you.